Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, from this video onwards, we are going to start a new lesson. Name of the lesson is indices. Indices, index. In this video, we are going to see what is meant by index, okay, how it is written, how it is pronounced, etc, etc. For example, if a number is written in such kind of form, 2 is written here, okay, and the top of the 2 little bit on top right corner, suppose 3 is written, any other number is written, okay, so such number is called as index. Such number is called as index. Done. And indices is nothing but the plural form of index. Means suppose I'll write 3 raised to 2. So this is first index, this is second index, these two are indices. Okay. Now in this index, few things are there which we have to learn. There are two numbers 2 and 3. Here also there are two numbers 3 and 2. Okay. So what is special meaning of this? So this 2, the number which is at the base, you can say it is at the base because another number is means holding on it, right? So it's not in the air, it is on the base of this 2. So this number 2 is called as base, and this number 3 is called as, actually number 3 they are calling as index or a degree or order. Okay, so that's what I am talking about in BODMAS, the second one, order. So 2 is called as base, 3 will be called as order or index. In this case, base is 3 and index is 2. Clear? But what is the meaning of it? Right, in mathematics, if something is written, it should have a meaning. For example, suppose 5 plus 2 is written. So we easily come to know the meaning is add 5 and 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, 3 into 2 is written. So we know the meaning is 3 multiplied by 2, 6 we have to do. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is nothing but multiply this base with itself. What I said, please remember. Multiply this base with itself means multiply 2 with 2. Okay. How many times? Index times. Multiply the base itself index times. 2 raised to 3 means multiply 2 with 2 3 times. So that is the meaning of this. Clear? In this case, 3 raised to 2, multiply the base 3 with itself 3. How many times? Index times means 2 times. 3 multiplied by 3. That is the meaning of this. Clear? And finally, based on this meaning, you can find out the value. Value is 2 into 2. Now what is this? 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Please, this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It is not 2 multiplied by 3. It is not 2 multiplied by 3, 6. So many students are doing this mistake. It's not like 2 multiplied by 3. It's 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. So I hope students you have understood that if number is written in such form, the bottom number is called as base and the top number is called as index. Its meaning is multiply the base with itself index times. Okay, let us see with few examples. Let's make a table. First we will write index or indices. Then we will try to identify what is the base in the given index and what is the index or degree or order in the given index. Okay, what is the meaning of it? Meaning we are writing in the form of multiplication, so meaning is also called as multiplication form. Meaning is also called as multiplication form. and finally we will try to find out value of it. Okay, I hope you understood what is meant by index, how index is written, what is meant by base, what is the order or degree or index of the index, and what is the meaning of it, how to find out its value. So let's clear it with few more simpler examples. Suppose 5 raised to 4. So what is the meaning of it? Okay, among these two, what is the base and what is the index? So the bottom number which is at the lower side, base 5, and what is the index? Index is 4. So what is this meaning? Meaning is multiply this base 5 with itself 5, multiply 5 with 5, right? How many times? Index times 4 times. So its meaning is 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5, right? And its value, you may find its value 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and 125 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 1 is the carry, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1 6, 7 raised to 3. So that is equals to, among these 7 is the base, 3 is the index, and what is the meaning? Meaning is multiply base 7 with itself 7. How many times? Index times 3 times. So that is equals to 7 into 7 into 7, which is nothing but 343. Clear, friends? So now we learned what is, how to write a index, what is meant by base in the index, what is meant by index, degree or order in the index, what is the meaning of index, how to find out value of the index. Now let's see the last topic. Last topic is how to pronounce the index. How to pronounce the index. See students, what is written? 2 and 3 on the top. So you just have to read it as 2 raised to 3. How to pronounce it as 2 raised to 3. Clear? So this is 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 2, 5 raised to 4, 7 raised to 3. Clear up to this? Among this pronunciation also there is one convention. Whenever index is 2, pronounce it as square. Whenever index is 2, pronounce it as square. Means suppose number is written as 11 raised to 2. Okay, so base is 11, index is 2. So how to pronounce it as? Instead of pronouncing it as 11 raised to 2, pronounce it as square of 11. 11 square. Clear? So whenever index is 2, pronounce it as square. So square of 11 meaning is 11 into 11, which is nothing but 121. Okay? And whenever index is 3, like this, suppose 1 raised to 3, base is 1, index is 3. So whenever index is 3, pronounce it as cube. So 2 is square and 3 is cube. So its pronunciation is cube of 1 or 1's cube. Meaning is 1 into 1 into 1, which is nothing but 1 itself. So students, how will be the pronunciation? There are only two exceptions in pronunciation. One is whenever index is 2 and whenever index is 3. Whenever index is 2, pronounce it as square. Whenever index is 3, pronounce it as cube. So 2 raised to 3, we have to pronounce it as 2's cube or cube of 2. 3 raised to 2, we can pronounce it as square of 3 or 3's square. 5 raised to 4, pronounce it as it is because index is not 2 or 3. So it will be pronounced as 5 raised to 4. 7 cube or cube of 7. 11 square or square of 11. 1 cube or cube of 1. Okay friends, I hope you got it. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.